Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to let you know a few things just so there's going to be a little bit of announcement, showing of some new product that's in. Alright, this is the Graphic 45 Lost in Paradise. Now this has been out about a month now maybe, and I only have one bundle left. We sold these in bundles. The bundle includes the 12 by 12 paper pack, the 12 by 12 stripes and solids, I think that's what it's called, patterns and solids, and then the 8 by 8, the ephemera pack, the tags and pockets, the stickers, which is all of these are double-sided except the chipboard stickers, and then these are the chipboards. So that is a bundle. And I'm going to have a link below that has a special price for the first one that gets over to purchase this bundle. It's going to be a very, very low price because I just need to move some of these out. So I'll show you real quick. I'm just going to show you the 8 by 8 because I don't want to open the big pack. But it's some beautiful papers. And looks like there is 3 of each one. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The backs are beautiful as well. So I'm going to flip through here real quick. We sold quite a few of these, but this is the last one that we have left, and I don't think we're going to restock this one right now. So there is more. So if you are a tropical person, this paper is definitely for you. Look at that. That's beautiful. And even if you don't like the fronts, if you think they're too busy, the backs are beautiful. Some people think that this is too busy, and when I use these, I use just portions of them. I don't use the whole sheet. That way it's not so busy. And then they're beautiful. And there's the back. So that is the 8 by 8. And like I said, there's going to be a special link down below just for the first person that clicks on it and goes over and makes the purchase for this. And then that's all of these. They will be gone. Alright. We also we just got in some of the Graphic 45 Joy to the World. This is Christmas. It is absolutely gorgeous. We've sold a ton of them, but we have one bundle left. And I'm going to go through this one quickly. The bundle includes the same as the other, the 12 by 12, the 12 by 12 pattern and solids, the chipboard, the stickers, the tags and pockets, and then the sticker sheet, and the 8 by 8 of course. So look at this. Oh, I love that paper. This is beautiful. I had to keep a few of these for myself. I think it's gorgeous. Look at this. So this is going to be a very, very pretty paper for Christmas, for all your Christmas projects, and make some beautiful cards. And all of them have, looks like snow on them. It has little bitty flecks of white, so it looks like snow. Like I said, we only have one of these left. We had quite a few pre-orders, and they just went quick. I don't know if you can see those little bitty flecks of white in there. So let's see. There's that. There's the back. And then there's that one. And the back. And then there's the bells. And then the back of that one. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Okay. So that is the Graphic 45 Joy to the World. I'm going to have a special link below just for this bundle. It'll be the first person that gets over there and purchases it, that's yours. So look for that link below. Don't forget to look for these links below for these bundles. And we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.